Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beignets from scratch. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Begin by dissolving the yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water, letting it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, in a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt before adding the activated yeast mixture and other wet ingredients. Once your dough is formed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for developing the gluten. Next, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. After rising, gently punch down the dough and roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Now, using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut your rolled dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few Beignet squares into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 minute per side until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and immediately transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels. The final and arguably best step is to generously dust your warm beignets with powdered sugar. They are truly best enjoyed fresh, so serve them immediately. These delightful treats pair wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or a rich, creamy hot chocolate, making for a perfect breakfast or dessert. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Enjoy your homemade beignets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.